Hello, and today I bring you, what do I bring you? This is a Triyit box showcase campaign. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Da, 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 da. So in here we have some Topo Chico hard seltzer. And for those of you that don't know, hard seltzer is actually an alcoholic sparkling water, essentially, as it says there. So let's go and see what's inside. Ooh. So we've got the snap share win, and here some information. Nice. So then it's just telling you more about the flavours that they do here. To be fair, they all sound really nice. Hard seltzers, they're really quite refreshing, especially in hot weather. Aha! So let's see what flavours we've got here then. So we've got tropical mango. Nice, nice, nice. I can never say this name. I think it's acai, is it? Sorry if I've completely butchered that. So, and cherry acai. Again, I think I said that wrong because I can never say it, but it tastes great anyway. So, yes, I believe these are the two. Yeah, that's just packaging. Wishful thinking. Right, great stuff. Lovely. So we'll get those in the fridge, get those chilling a bit more, and we'll try those later this evening because it's not even midday yet, and I'm not that hard with my alcohol. But yeah, so we'll get those in the fridge and we'll get tasting those later. Sweet. Okay, so now these have chilled. Let's give one a whirl. Go for the mango one. Try and open it one-handed. Nice. I'm going to pour it one-handed, not the best. Hear that fizz. Nice. Cheers.